Jamaican fish tea. Yes, a soup is a tea. Don't ask me. Now, the other day I made fish tea my way. So today we're making it the way that most, if not all, Jamaicans make it. Keep in mind, my choice of seasonings may be different, but the method is the same. Now, the other day I grilled the fish first and that was bossing. However, I filleted this fish for my niece, had the leftover head and bone with some flesh on it. So there was nothing on that to grill. But I wanted to make soup with it and I decided that I was going to make it the regular Jamaican way. And by the way, we went fishing and caught these fish. So I'm just flexing. The only thing that I love more than cooking is cooking that I catch, grow, create, and so on. Now put on the stove with some water, garlic, pimento. You can put some ginger if you get the ginger. You usually bring that to a boil. Then you add your fish to it. Sure you have enough water to cover the fish, or almost cover it as in my case. Give about a couple of minutes on one side, turn it over, give a couple of minutes on the next side. If it's frozen, you maybe want to give it a little more. Whatever you do, try not to cook the fish. Just want to get a little steam so it come off of the bone easier. Move them from the pot, and I like to just add back the head and let that go and boil out and flavor out the soup, because remember the bone and the head not fine. Along with the head, I add some carrots, some pumpkin. In a little creole to start, not too much, because I season the fish. Every time I go fishing, always clean and season the fish. You notice me added a little turmeric and black pepper. I like to eat my medicine, plus it gives the soup a pretty color. When I know I can't get rid of that little flash of the camera flip around while I'm filming. Hope it passes and you know see. If you do, just enjoy that little awkward angle. I had a little mixed vegetable left over and I added that. I know you saw me add that. I added some dumpling, some plantain. Green plant, if you have green banana, you can use that. I never had. I may have some nice green plants. I'm gonna put one in. So put a potato, Irish potato. I make them the boil. All the food that's I put in, I make them boil about halfway and then I season the pot. Some of our very own, very necessary island spiced oil. We shop all our products on our TikTok shop or our site. Use a little cock soup, it wasn't even a half pack. Little pumpkin soup wasn't even a half pack either. One bouillon cube, you can crush it out if you want. Scallion, thyme, onion, scotch bonnet pepper. Add more hot water, stir them there in thoroughly. And if you notice, me did cut some of the pumpkin small to start and I left some big piece for eat as food. Of course, no Jamaican soup no complete without some spinach. So all that boil about halfway, throw in my fish, pick out as much as the bone as you can. And even then be cautious when you're eating, because one or two bone will get away in it. I actually find a good amount of bones in this one I never see. Just make me know say grilling it's easier if you move away from the bone, because the other day when I grill it, me never find a whole of bone, to be honest with you. Maybe a few, but this time I find a good amount. Added some onion powder, some garlic powder, and a spoon of brown sugar, which is totally optional. You can leave it out. I just like to add it to bring all my flavors together. And believe it or not, I find that in using a little brown sugar, I add less salty seasoning. Stir this in thoroughly and boil a little more until all my food boil, and oh my god, this was perfect. Me just eat and I sweat, so I couldn't wait for eat, and just imagine me never eat before this all day, you know. Listen, me need to eat and I sweat. So I may tell you, so we Jamaicans are different breed, you know. Because no matter how the sun at, no matter the temperature outside, if a soup we want, a soup we make, and we as long as we are drink with soup, same thing for porridge. You know, in many parts of the world, people drink soup special time, winter time, even same place in America. Soups and anything are more for winter time or fall time when it's cooler. But master, you know, see nobody else sit down and drink no hot soup or make no hot soup in the summertime. But we are going to drink with nice fish soup or any soup we feel for, and we are going to feel it a bust the gas a go down. You know, after the first couple of spoons, you get that big burp. Especially if you never eat all day, and especially if you drink this delicious